it's me, Jax in Scratch mode. Today we'll make a really fun and creative project and really colorful. And it's not a game, it's just a what do we say? Just time pass project that you can pass your time if you're getting bored or doing anything. It's really fun. And the code is only a little bit, it'll take just a few minutes. So first we have to choose any single sprite we like. You can also delete it or you can only use this one if you like. So I will use another sprite and I might use my favorite. Rest, it's your wish. You can upload from the internet or you can take one from the scratch. I'll take Pico, it's my favorite. And the backdrop, again, you can take any backdrop. I like this one. And it's again your wish to delete it. I delete it. Bye. So now we need to have the code. So like always, and first, when green flag clicked, forever. Now you have to scroll all the way down. We'll see this. Create clone of myself when I start as a clone and delete clone. Now you might not or may know that what is a clone. A clone is a duplicate of yourself. So if I click this, create a clone of myself, a clone I've created, when I drag it, a clone is there. So this will be useful in the colorful project we're making today. So forever, create clone of myself and follow mouse pointer. Go to and not over here, inside the forever block. Go to mouse pointer and then the green flag is done. Now we have to go over here. When I start as a clone, repeat 10 times and then under delete this clone. Now in repeat 10 times we'll put if you scroll a little down you'll find this change color effect by 25. When I put it inside, when I started the clone, it will repeat 10 times only to change the color effect by 25 and then it will delete it. If I don't apply delete this clone, then this will happen. This will be made and they all will be green and nothing new will be made. This is like a drawing but not erasable. So we have to put delete this clone to delete the every clone after that. See now like it's following but jittery. See now all the clones are being deleted while it's moving. So now thank you guys for watching this video, for this perfect and little mini game video. See you in the next one. Bye.